Welcome to CCN TV News, your premier source for local and international news. From the streets of Kingston to the capitals of the world, we are ready to cover you stories that shape our world. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're reacting to something really special for the Christmas season. Mark Golden's rendition of Someday at Christmas. That's right. The leader of Jamaica's opposition singing a timeless song about hope, peace, and a better world. Let's dive in. Right from the first note, I didn't expect this. Mark Golden has a warm and sincere voice that fits the gentle tone of this classic. I love how he opens with Someday at Christmas, men won't be boys. It's a powerful reminder about peace and unity, especially during the holidays. You know, this isn't just Mark Golden singing a Christmas song. It feels like he's giving a message to Jamaica and the world. The song's themes of love, peace, and social hope are timeless. It's such a bold choice, and honestly, it resonates. Wow, listen to his melodious voice. If you haven't seen this video, go check it out. The emotion in his voice right there, that's not just singing, that's heartfelt. Now, look, some people might be surprised to see a politician singing like this, but I think that's exactly what makes this moment special. It shows a different side, a human side, connecting with the ordinary people, where no matter your job or title, we all share the same hope for a brighter tomorrow. Whether you're here for the music or here for the message, this cover of Someday at Christmas is worth listening. Let me know in the comments, what did you think of Mark Golden's voice? Did this song move you? And who else should we react to this Christmas song? Drop your suggestion. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this reaction, hit like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss more holiday reactions and deep dive. From all of us here, Merry Christmas and peace to you all.